Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I have a laptop Toshiba, the c55 model. This power is connected, but power button not working. When I press power, it's not working. So first step, I will remove the battery and check. So here is the two screw. I have to remove the battery and check it is working or not working. Okay guys, see, I have to remove the battery, and now I will open the PC and press the power button for 20 seconds. Okay, done. Now I'll plug the power cable. It's connecting but no power. So I have problem inside the board. If sometime have some problem like that, just remove the battery, it will work. Okay guys, I have to open the laptop and I remove this battery. Okay, have to remove this battery, and I will press the power button for 10 seconds. Without battery connection, without power cable connection, press the power key for the 10 or 20 seconds just to remove the power drain from IC. And now I connect the power cable and press the power key. See, this is working. This laptop is working now. See, here is the power light. It is working, and have display. It's working perfectly. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon. If you have problem in your laptop like this, you can fix the no power problem in laptop. It's model c55 Toshiba. See guys, after I fix the date and time, this Windows is working perfectly. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon.